Hey everybody, Mike here from Mike's Computer Tips. How's it going? Just want to come at you with another video and talk to you about YouTube and growing your channel. If you want tips to grow your channel, this video is going to be a video on giving you a few tips on growing your channel, what you need to do. If you have a few hundred people, or if you have maybe 300-400, or you just want to get to the next level and you're below 1K, I want to show you a couple of tricks, which aren't really tricks, they're just things that YouTube wants to see in order for them to move you up. And it used to be, you add a bunch of people and then you would get more people, but now YouTube is getting a little stricter. You can add people, but if you don't leave these people comments and watch their videos, YouTube is going to purge them and take them away from you. So all these people that you add, if you add 10 people today or 20 people today, and tomorrow or the next day you see your numbers going down, or you want to realize why these people aren't watching your videos or commenting, it's because YouTube is going to purge them if you're not communicating with them. So on every person you add, you must watch their video, you must comment about the video, and hit the notification bell and try to stay in contact with that person. When they come out with a new video, leave a comment and have a conversation with the person and show interest in that person. And also do live streams. Live streams are very effective in getting watch hours, watch time. And you should do live streams. And whatever your niche is, talk about what it is. My niche is computer repairs, so I talk about computer repairs. But if you don't have a niche, you can just talk about anything. Make sure you put it in a title, what you're going to be talking about. And if people are interested, they'll come to your live stream. And tell them to give you the thumbs up. And the longer you're on, the more watch hours you'll get, the more watch time you get. Also, you really want to comment and leave good comments for people that comment on your live streams. So do that also, because YouTube sees that as somebody that it's not like a fake thing that you're just adding people and to get numbers. YouTube sees that as actually a connection, a good connection you're making. And you're not going to fool them. They know, and you can see that in your numbers. So if you want to get to the next level in YouTube and you're below 1K, these are the things you got to do. Also, when you make a video, make sure you put a decent thumbnail on there, because the first thing that people are going to see on your video is your thumbnail and decide if they want to watch it or not. So put a catchy title on there to get somebody's attention, or make it colorful. You don't have to put too many words, but you need to get somebody's attention for them to want to go to the next level, which is click on your video and watch it. And try to make longer videos too, because if somebody's watching your video and your video is only 5 minutes long, say, try to make a 10-minute video, because if it's 5 minutes and they only watch 20 seconds of it, you're not going to get any time. But if it's 10 minutes and they watch 5 minutes of it, you'll get 5 minutes. So try to make the videos a little bit longer each time you make a video. That's a very important thing. And also use end screens. And if you have an intro, a catchy intro that's less than 10 seconds long, put the intro in. If you have an outro, have like a short outro. And use little teaser things, like put some text in your video, telling people about things. And definitely the end screen which will get them to another video. If they're interested in your video, they'll click on that end screen when it's almost over, and they'll watch another video of yours. You know, you want to try to keep somebody on your channel as long as you can, and the end screens will help you do that if you add end screens to them, to the videos. So those are a couple basic tips that a small YouTuber can use. And I tell you what, in 2020, it's going to be commenting. It's going to be very good comments that YouTube looks at. If you're watching people's videos, clicking the notification bell, and things like that, all the basic things YouTube's going to be looking at. Instead, I mean, I like Let's Go, Let's Grow like anyone else, going into a live stream and clicking on somebody saying, I visited you or I added you, but you have to do something after that. You have the responsibility of watching their video, leaving comment, and trying to make a friend out of that person. And if you're really interested in their videos, you can watch a few of their videos and comment on a few of them. That's what's going to stick. YouTube's going to look at that and say, this is an actual person who's communicating with an actual person. So, you know, your numbers aren't going to rise that fast, but they will rise, and your watch hours will go up if you do that. Those are the basic fundamentals that you have to do. And I'm going to also give you a couple computer tips, since that's what I talk about. And one computer tip is, if you're not using your computer, don't leave it on for a long time. Shut it down. Keep it cool, because electronics gets hot, and you don't want to leave your computer on and let it get hot. If you have a laptop and you're not using it, shut it off completely, and then turn it back on when you're going to use it again. And make sure you charge your battery on your laptop, and then you unplug it once it gets down to about a quarter. Excuse me. Then plug it back in and recharge it again, but don't leave your laptop plugged in once it's charged. It makes no sense. I see people doing that all the time. They're running on battery, but then they have it plugged in, which you shouldn't do that. And also on your power option, make sure you leave that on high performance. Change it to high performance, which will give you a little bit more power, and that'll help your computer. And make sure you follow my videos. I have several videos now talking about how to make your computer faster, how to speed your computer up very easily just by following a few steps, how to clean your computer. And my videos are very simple. I get all kinds of comments from people thanking me that they use my video and on their computer, and it's working a lot better. So it's very simple. Anybody can do it. The average person, you don't have to have any computer background. You don't have to know anything about computers, and you can follow my videos, and they'll tell you exactly the steps to do in order for you to make your computer faster and clean your computer out and do things step by step. You can always pause the video and go to the next step, and then when you're ready to do the next step after that, you can pause the video again, and then watch the next step, turn it off, go do what it's supposed to on the video, and then go back and forth. You know, that's an easy way that you can do all the different steps. And usually there's only 3 or 4 steps. So hope you get something out of the YouTube tips for growing your channel, and also fixing your computer, making your computer running better, and having a healthier, faster computer, more stable, without viruses or infections. Definitely watch my videos, and you'll learn a lot about computers. You don't have to be smart with computers. The average everyday person who watches my videos is learning a real lot about computers, and they're picking it up, and they're able to take care of their own computer in time. So, you know, just spend a little time and you can do it, and I'm sure you can, and it's improving over and over. So if you're new on my channel, this is the first time you're here, make sure you hit the notification bell and subscribe to my channel, and also share this with a friend or a family member so you can help them also, and also comment on the video, or if you have any question about the video, or if you have any computer related question in general about your computer, your friend's computer, a family member's computer, or any kind of computer question that you may have in general, you can ask me in the comments and I'll give you the answer to that. I answer all my comments. I don't leave anybody out, so I get notification on every video I make, and every comment comes in, I try to answer it as soon as I can. I don't always get to it right away, but I will get to it. If it doesn't happen that hour or that evening, I'll get to it the next day. But I will answer any question you have. I try to give you the best recommendation that is about computers and computer related questions. So then again, this is Mike from Mike's Computer Tips, and I will see you in the next video, and thank you for watching. I really appreciate you and all my subscribers. I appreciate you a lot, and I will talk to you later. Take care.